March 5th. You know it. $44.99. Rocking the old Infinity. Black Crim doing really well. Large leaf basil doing well. Going to flower. Should have seed soon, so we can start some more. Me and Jeremy can get crazy munching it. San Marzano tomatoes that are starting to fill. Obviously, a lot more nutrition to dial in here to get these up to like they were outside. But then again, that does refer to the difference between trying to grow in a pot and mimic a soil geology and growing in a full depth geological soil profile. You just wait till you see what we got coming on that topic. So, anyway, cherry tomatoes are doing well. We got quite a few of those ripening here. Nice and red and shiny. They're delicious. Queuing and saving up a few of those because we're going to take some samples to some chefs. Had a couple of figs off of here myself. Took one to my mom. Got another one ripening. Shared one with my friend John. Thyme is doing well. What else? Yeah, you know, things are doing good. Rosemary's cranking. The stevia's rocking. Since I did everything with Accelerate, we're headed for flowers, so we'll have seed production on stevia soon as well. What else? Holy basil continues to just produce tremendous amounts of seeds. So I'm going to clip that. These will let mature a little more, but a lot of these are mature too. So continuing along with quality tomato production, here we are in the lab, March 5th. Got lots of nice ripening tomatoes coming on. You can tell we've had a little struggle with nutrition here, but overall they are still producing some nice tomatoes. I've had several of these in salads. They're delicious. And now I'm saving up some of these to take to chefs to give samples to trigger the growing season for a new thing that's up and coming, an 8-acre piece of land I've got for farming on. Meantime, this other tomato that I took from the Integral greenhouses, that super sweet cherry I told you about, is coming along well. And it's actually time to transplant this soon. So we're going to have to get on that the next day or two. You can see roots popping out the bottom. Man, look at those numbers. Look at those numbers. 44, 99, 44, 44, 29. Boop, boop. Now the problem with talking a talk is you always got to back it up and walk the walk. So, looking at those roots, I got to transplant tonight. So I dug in a pot, washed it off, dug out some soil. I'm going to transplant right now. Just want to make the point. You see the problem, take the action immediately. Limit yield loss. Environment dictates gene expression. Well, you know, I almost forgot to show you. Look at the bottom. See the roots? See how we're already starting to get root bound. We've already started to limit the total genetic expression of this plant and consequently its yield potential. Just want to make the point, drive it home, show you visually what I mean. Those roots would be deeper in the soil, spread out further, gathering more nutrients, establishing larger microbial community connections than they are. March 4th. Getting ready for spring propagation. The buckthorn plants that survived germination process are doing well. They've been in here germinated for probably a month, month and a half. Temperatures are coming up. I'll snag a screenshot of the forecast for next week, but basically not really going below freezing. If we do, we're just touching it. So this will be good acclimatization for them. And I just want to point out some of the explosive growth that's already happening on these. So we're well on our way to our first orchard of sea buckthorn. I'll remind you again that these are dioecious plants, meaning that there is a male and a female, and so we have to have both in order for them to reproduce. These are not sexed seeds, so we're hoping to get both male and females. The females produce the berries. The males will only give us pollen, but That's important for propagating forward. All right, I'm going to stick these out outside into the spring environment. The season's coming, baby. It's coming.